All right. Why do you like horses, Gabriel?
Because it was so silly.
Silly. And what horse name is this?
Nolan.
It is Nolan. And why you like horses?
Okay.
Go.
This is Nathan, and I like horses because they're cute and pretty, and you can ride them, and you can have a nice relationship with them.
One of my favorite ancient civilizations is the Scythians, who used horses and horse archery to raid surrounding villages. They were located in the Caucasus. I don't know what else to say. I really like them. They're very cool. Civilizations is the Scythian. I'm sorry, can I restart?
Yeah, we're gonna have a bloopers at the end.